what's the benefit of installing the exhaust? Well, basically, for example, you install a Malossi variator, so your input becomes bigger. So definitely you will be needing an output that's a lot bigger as well. So it makes it really run fast, more power, and more torque.
Alright, testing yung Malossi exhaust with the DB Killer. Tara, game! Tuesday morning. Guess what? Another upgrade day today. So, performance part ulit. Meron tayong bagong susubukan. Kasi nung nakaraan nakita ko yung yung isang exhaust. So later, tingnan natin. Ito is plug and play daw. So mas maganda siya para sa stock na motor compared sa gamit natin before. Parang yun kasi more on pang mga kargado na. Naalala nyo, natuwa na ako dun sa tunog na ng aftermarket exhaust na nabili natin before. Tsaka ito kasi mas maganda, mas magaang siya compared sa stock natin. And I was advised na yes, meron pa rin talagang maitutulong yung ganito when it comes to power. Kapag yung exhaust na ilalagay mo is tamang-tama lang, so meron tayong more air para dito. Yun, no? So sa inyo guys, meron ba sa inyo mga naka aftermarket pipes again? Pero ito naman yung mga plug and play. Kamusta yung mga performance ng sa inyo? Share nyo naman para pag-usapan natin dito, pagkwentuhan natin. Nandito tayo, alam nyo na kung saan tayo magpapa-install. Yung sinasabi kong ilalagay nating aftermarket exhaust. So balik lang tayo dito sa Scooter Depot. Let's go. We are back. Ano oras na ba? Alas 10 ba bukas na itong Scooter Depot?
Hi, this is Eugene of Scooter Depot. We are the official distributor of Malossi. So we would like to introduce to you the Malossi exhaust for the Primavera Sprint iJet series, which is also applicable for the Vespa S125. We also have for the GTS 300, Euro 4 and Euro 5 series. Well, the benefits of installing a Malossi exhaust is it increases the power and torque, additional horsepower, and it makes the engine breathe well, because compared to the stock exhaust has more chambers to what the Malossi would have. Imagine installing the Malossi exhaust, it makes everything flow smoothly, and definitely it looks a lot better and sounds a lot better compared to the stock exhaust. It's a lot lighter compared to the stock exhaust that's installed on your usual Primavera and Sprint. Usually you get frequent asked questions if what's the benefit of installing the exhaust? Well, basically, for example, you install a Malossi variator, so your input becomes bigger. So definitely you will be needing an output that's a lot bigger as well. So it makes it really run fast, more power, and more torque. When it comes to the decibel rate, pasok ang Malossi sa standard ng dB rate. Now, the exhaust also has the dB killer, which we also call the silencer. So we can remove it and make it more, it sounds more bass. So that's the difference of having the dB killer installed inside the exhaust. Malossi exhaust is applicable to the Euro 4 and Euro 5. The difference of that is just the entrance of the O2 sensor. So, but basically both are just the same. It's both applicable to all scooters, old and new. For the Malossi exhaust, basically it's just a plug and play type. No need for remap. It's easy to install and just run right away. If you're interested to have a Malossi exhaust, you could drop by Scooter Depot or any of our authorized Malossi dealers. Thank you very much.
Sound check without DB killer. Alright, uwi na. Ang ganda ng tunog. Uwi na, dito kami. Sir Mark, Boss Eugene, Vespa Scenery, Mighty Ipis, Bingo, tsaka si Vespa Collectives. Pasarap ng tambay. Rinig niyo pa ba ako? Huwag ka maingay yung exhaust natin. So nakita nyo, Malossi exhaust. Ganda ang tunog. Grabe. Ang saya. So yun yung kinuha natin, the Malossi exhaust. So natuwa ako sa sound niya. Tinanggal natin currently yung DB killer niya. So meron lang naman siyang circlip na pang lock kapag kailangan mong tahimik, gawing tahimik yung yung exhaust mo. So medyo malaki yung difference niya ng merong silencer or yung DB killer versus dito sa open na wala. Fairness super bassy nung tunog niya. And I like it. So itong nakatanggal yung DB killer is paniguradong hindi uubra sa decibel reading ng Manila at ng Bacoor, kasi medyo malakas talaga siya. Good thing is lang siya, super bassy, super lalim ng tunog, hindi naman siya bulahaw. In fairness. Nakita rin pala natin si Oski, brother Oski kanina. Ano rin yan, nag-YouTube din siya. Ito yung page niya. So puro Vespa vlogs din. Follow niya rin siya. Gulat ako kanina, nakilala niya tayo. Alright, uwi na tayo. So napatambay lang tayo saglit after natin sa Scooter Depot. And then ito, test na natin. Kanina pa akala ko naka-record ako, hindi pala. So kagandahan dito, plug and play. Tapos mukhang hindi na wala ng power. Again, compared nga dun sa nakabit natin before, na parang medyo naramdaman mo agad yung lumamya, or sabi nga daw yung nag-lean. yung ano niya, takbo niya. So parang dito kahit nakatanggal yung DB killer, okay pa rin. Meron pa rin power na nabibigay. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin. And yun yung kagandahan. So nakuha mo na yung additional power niya, tsaka yung maganda yung tunog. Yung gusto ko dito, ang ganda ng tunog, man. Sa mga susunod nating video, gawa natin siya ng ano pa, impression pa. Ito quick lang, since hindi pa natin siya ganun katagal magagamit kasi nga diretso uwi. So hopefully hindi magbago. And yeah, so far so good. Alright, testing yung Malossi exhaust with the DB killer. So after kasi nating i-install, tinanggal na agad natin hanggang pag-uwi. Parang 16,335, parang 16,100 something lang ako nung in-install ko to. So medyo matagal-tagal ko na, ilang kilometro ko na rin nagamit yung yung without the DB killer. So kanina kasi I was trying to make a video yung sa difference ng merong DB killer for the vertical setting sa Instagram, ganyan. Tapos ngayon parang gusto ko i-try nang medyo magagamit ko naman mahaba-haba konti yung with the DB killer. Mabilis pa rin ang makyat, mabilis mag-80 oh. Kanina nung tinatry ko kasi yun, napansin ko mabilis, so mabilis siya umakyat. So parang okay din ah. Yun lang, yung tunog is parang ka lang nakastuck. Pero again, without the DB killer o yung silencer niya, in fairness, meron siyang meron siyang power pa rin. And yes, based sa explanation ni Sir Eugene, okay. Okay yung ganito. Plug and play is okay. Sa kargado, mukhang okay din to. Feeling ko kasi doon, matutune mo pa rin naman yung yung AFR. Tapos imagine mo, sa stock na yun nga, walang DB killer, yes, okay. Ako personally, ramdam ko yung difference nung walang DB killer na Malossi exhaust compared dun sa power pipe. Mag-e-enjoy or nag-e-enjoy pa rin ako dito sa Malossi. Ganda pa ng tunog. Okay guys, anyone of you tried yung Malossi na pipe for the Primavera or Sprint? Kamusta yung performance nyo? Are you using stock engine o naka-bore up na? Bilis mag 60. Alright, so yun, if you're interested dito sa Malossi exhaust for Primavera, Sprint, S125, and for the 300 series, go ahead and check out Scooter Depot. So meron silang Facebook page and Instagram. So message nyo lang sila. Paano? Yun lang muna. Maraming salamat sa inyong time. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until the next one. Babush!